higher. A $22 million deal, where am I going to get 20% of the money down? Well, guess what? Syndication's an amazing way. But Jake said one thing that's really important, everybody out there. It's an additional revenue stream. It's an additional business. We at Jake and Gino, I'm Gino, he's Jake, call it multifaceted multifamily. It's the Powerwheel. So we're talking about the investment itself. We have RAND Property Management, our property management arm. That's an investment. It's part of that Powerwheel, is generating revenue. We have the education arm that's generating revenue. Now you have the syndication business, because everybody out there, it's a business. You're going to need a team once you start scaling up. Why is that? Because you're going to have to manage investors. You're going to have to go out there and just deal with more with attorneys. You're going to have to underwrite these deals. I mean, there's a lot of stuff that goes into it, but more specifically to Jake's deal, how do syndicators get paid? Number one, an acquisition fee. Very standard and very common, from anywhere from 1% to 5% of the purchase price. So let's say you're out there and you do a $10 million deal. Typically, syndicators will charge anywhere from 1% to 5%. If you're really great and your numbers make sense, sometimes they'll charge 5%. We've charged typically 3%. So a $10 million deal, 3%, you're getting a $300,000 acquisition fee day one. Now,
sign me up for some of that.
Some of you out there may be saying, well, that's not fair. Why would you'd be getting paid? Because it's a ton of work. You as a syndicator have to get the investors, have to find a deal, have to get the documents together, have to run the deal. All your investors do, they're passive. You're doing all the active work. Oh, and by the way, you're signing on the debt. So you're getting there's recourse to you. There's non-recourse, but you are guaranteeing the debt. You are signing on the debt.
Yeah,
exactly. So that $300,000, that's cash flow day one. What I would do, I'd plow that right back into the deal, and I would get on that LP side. So I'd be creating that passive income, and I also own that part of the general partnership. So that acquisition fee is huge. Could you imagine going out there, everybody, and doing a $50 million deal, and you only get a 2% acquisition fee? That's $1 million day one. Big paycheck. Boom shakalaka. I think the next way to do it is